Guys, we are here at the moment, at 1 Mile Beach. I'm going to buy something to eat while we are walking. They don't have any chips or any kind of breads. They have just sandwich and some other short order like a fish and chips. I'm about to get a coffee, but I heard the 3 ladies, they also ordered a coffee, and so it is going to take time to prepare and we want to wait. This is in Anna Bay area. This particular area is basically for surfer. I am wearing this, not a hiking shoes, because we're going to walk mostly along the beach. This is the station of the lifeguard. This is basically swimming area, but there are many surfers on that side. I remember that I still have my bike before. Oh, it's not there, but on that side. I used to ride my bike on that side coming from the road. There's so many footprints. Especially on that side. Even there, people are scattered everywhere. There's guy walking. There are some people doing paddle boarding. People are surfing, walking. The temperature is cold actually. That's the place where I used to ride my bike coming from the road. People is coming out from nowhere. I saw there is a couple over there. Maybe I should also go walk on that area. Let's go, so that it is going to be a different scene, different view, not just the water. In here we're going to see plants, grass, trees. If there is a way, but it's like this. I hope not to see a snake. I don't want to see a snake. Actually, we walk over there. We go back here. We reach this top. Actually, a little bit more. And this is how it is here at the top. Another slope going down. Actually, most of the people just come in here. This is the end mostly. The footprints ends here, but there is some people who go directly go into that side. The sand is very fine. It is not scary in this place because there are actually houses on the far side, and I can see the the electrical posts. Look at this. There's no way to get down there or anywhere. Let's keep exploring. And look at this. There is a footprint of an animal. It's a bush area. There's no way that I will go there. Only option is to go back actually. That's what I think. Okay, that's it. I'm going back to the beach area. When I go to a place, I really don't like going back on the same place where I walk through. Yeah, I prefer to walk, to go into the other way. So this is heading to Berobi Beach, Samurai Beach. And in case you don't know, Samurai Beach is a nude beach. Yeah, I mean clothing optional. There are people who is walking here with their clothes on, and some people who are naked, and sometimes family and people fishing. And also there is a naked or nude camping site on that side. Yeah, but only accessible by 4-wheel drive. Actually, the last time I was here was with my Suzuki Jimny. Before I tried my owning. Yeah, I tried how it works, because you know, here in the Bay Area, this is the only place where you can yeah, I mean legally put like a camping setup. I don't think there will be people naked in here because of the temperature. It is cold to be naked. Tomari National Park, Samurai Beach is a clothing optional beach. When I used to get here with my bike was yeah, this doesn't exist. Yeah, we go down in the nude beach. But actually there is three people naked, and there is this one 4-wheel drive. I can still see the where I've been. Yeah, that lifeguard area. Yeah, there is a couple on this side. They are on their, yeah, with their car, with the awning, and there is a family in here with the kids. In the future, I am really going to follow, yeah, the walking trail. I mean the total walking trail, because you know this Tomari walking trail is newly opened. Actually, I suddenly feel lazy. Yeah, I'll just go back in the same way where I've been. Yeah, because I actually have work today. Yeah, at 2 o'clock. The time now is 11:07. Yeah, if I walk, it is going to be a big round, maybe 1 hour walk. And we are now back here in 1 Mile Beach. There is one lady. It's actually still a long walk. Yeah, 1 mile more. I am not going to the gym anymore. This walking is already a good exercise. But taking a shower, yeah, because I need to take a shower. Though it is cold at the moment, but yeah, I'm actually sweating inside. There is a shower over there for the swimmer, for the surfer, but cold water. We are back here in the, yeah, life-saving house here in 1 Mile Beach. There is actually a surf school here. Yeah, there is a group classes, and there is also a private classes. I don't know how to swim, so how I am going to learn to surf? Impossible. I just received a message from Inigo. He is asking me again if I can give him a lift. Yeah, because his car is still in the mechanics, and the parts that they need for the repair is not yet available. Yeah, we are now here in the house of Inigo. It is now 1:15, and look at that, there is a gumamela, and there is that bird. taking nectar from the gumamela.